for today on Thursday. We have 3 winter warnings to talk about. Winter storm warning in the pink, Eastern Highlands, Bear River Range down there, and also for the most of the western Wyoming. We still have areas of very high wind gusts, and some snow is still falling, so therefore blowing snow, creating reduced visibility for your commute. Be very careful driving out there. Also with slippery roads now due to melting, and the atmosphere is warmer, but the ground is colder below freezing, so therefore freezing rain, freezing drizzle, creating hazardous road conditions at this time. Winter weather advisory, this goes until 11 a.m. Snow conditions, the snow events ending first for the west and then for the east due to that system moving east. Avalanche warnings back on, and we'll be back on and off for the next week here. We have a lot of snow that has piled on top of weak snowpack. Stay away from slopes that are 30 degrees or steeper, and stay away a long distance as well. They can travel long distances, and avalanche can if triggered, both naturally or man-made. That can happen. And if you see the winds, strong winds in the morning time, and then as the day goes on towards nighttime, much more gentler winds. We will lessen to 4 to 12 miles per hour for the evening and the nighttime. Now, what that means is, with all of this moisture still lingering and such gentle winds overnight, tomorrow morning, do expect fog and mist to add to the mess on the road of hazardous driving and road conditions. Today for the Snake River Plain, above freezing. We're in the upper 30s. Pocatello has a high of 38. Idaho Falls has a high of 25. Winds will calm down, but for the first half of the day, wind chills will be in the 20s. And because we're above freezing in the day, a lot of melting will occur, and then our low temperatures you will see are back below freezing. Central Mountains in the 30s, we got 24 for Leadore, and the Eastern Highlands will linger with some snowfall. You'll taper off a little bit longer compared to the rest of Idaho. So total accumulation by today's end, Thursday's end, 1 inch of snow up and down the border, up to 3 inches for the Tetons. Now the overnight low temperatures below freezing, so a lot of freezing will occur. Whatever melted can turn into a slick surface of ice, and the snow can harden as well with that layer of melted liquid becoming ice as well. The Southeast Idaho Chevy dealers 7-day forecast. We're exiting our snow event, and then for the weekend we do have high pressure. It's going to be in a certain orientation relative to us, in which we will be in the dirty side of the high pressure, meaning we will have precipitation, and we will have a snow rain mix due to just hovering around that freezing point there. Central Mountains, same thing, and for the Eastern Highlands, same thing, a little bit longer, colder temperatures, so more likelihood of your atmosphere to provide solid precipitation.